Welcome to day 8. Today's craft is sure to be a hit with your little ones. All you need is an outline from a Google search, Q-tips, and paint. You can print off any of your favorite fall outlines. I chose to use a pumpkin. Take some orange and green paint and add it to a cupcake liner. Give your child several Q-tips and allow them to dip them into the paint and paint the image. Allow the paint to dry and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.